Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by connecting your microphone or audio interface and selecting the correct input in Garageband. Choose a voice template or create an empty project and add an audio track, then set the sample rate to 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz. Once done, pick the input channel that matches your mic and arm the track for recording. Make sure input monitoring is off while you set levels, because that prevents feedback. This gets your project and track ready so you can focus on capturing clean takes. You aim for healthy levels. Adjust your mic gain and the track fader until peaks hit about -6 to -3 decibels, because that preserves headroom. Then add a low-cut filter to remove rumble and a gentle compressor to even out dynamics. This helps your voice sit in the mix. Use Garageband's cycle region to loop a section and record multiple takes, making punch-ins where needed. Once you finish, listen back and mark the best phrases for comping into a single polished performance. You now comp your best takes and tidy edits. Trim regions, add short fades to avoid clicks, and remove breaths or noise with strip silence. Once the arrangement is clean, use EQ to shape frequencies, send voice to a reverb bus for depth, and apply automation for smooth level rides. Check your mix in mono and against reference tracks to ensure translation. If problems persist, troubleshoot by checking input routing, monitoring latency, driver updates, and restart Garageband, then re-record or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.